Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bringing news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal they prepare to break the release clause of RB Leipzig midfielder wey they call Adam Styler, and this thing will cost Arsenal £32.5 million. And the reason we make Arsenal they go for this guy, we say this guy they very versatile. He can play as a right back and he can play as a midfielder. I know say for 2 transfer seasons ago we don't go for this guy, but it no really materialize because RB Leipzig no really want to sell this guy because then said them be strong heavyweights for Bundesliga. So that's why Arsenal really say okay, now I think this is the right time since Partey no go there for January. Elneny himself no go there. Everybody know this one. So that's why the reason say we could draft in this guy, and the guy is still very young. He's a small boy now. Now from America, NBC, the guy they play very well. So that's why the reason say we could carry this guy. I would like to see this guy. Shemo could go for him. Abomo could free him. What do you not think about the guy? Let me know for comment section as we proceed. Aaron Ramsey don't win Arsenal Player of the Month of October. I'm not saying I know tell now. So he don't win. I'm not saying that time I talk to me and I vote for him. Saying they compete with all those kind of Gabriel Mogales and co. So Baba don't win him, and it is well deserved because the guy really deserves him with all the fine performances when he do. But everybody can't talk about him, even all of us, even those of us who they castigate him in the beginning, can't start to love him down. So the guy really deserves all the attention when they get and all the praises. So a nice one for him. At least it's the beginning of something great. I still want to use the opportunity to let you know say if you get any female wey dey support Arsenal Football Club we would like to join us because our new program we want to do. No say every time I talk say we want to cover Arsenal female team, e get as e go be now. If na still men na in the for studio they cover Arsenal female team, at least even if na one woman make him join us. So if you know anybody wey be woman, wey girl, wey love Arsenal, love football, and she dey outspoken, she know dey fear to come out live, make people dey see am when they talk, you know dey shy for camera, then just send the person DM to my, just send the person my contact, say okay make him enter my DM, or make it show the person JFL TV, make the person contact me directly, so that we go get one person. At least we don't get one Patricia, we don't show interest, say one join, I go still DM am to let her know how the program go. So now what I say make I tell you, if you get anybody where you feel say this person will do good for this program as the sabi female football, just let us know. At least we could cover more ground because I don't observe there is a gap in knowledge for that Arsenal female team. A lot of now when they watch now, when I don't really know anybody for that female team. But Arsenal, what will be the name of their coach now? You don't know. What will be the name of the highest goal scorer? You don't know. Now only Bukayo Saka, Gabriel Mogales, Avami and Bisabi. After I don't conquer the female team, don't break into that niche, they will come check the academy. A lot of them say, I don't know the academy, I don't know Miguel Aziz. But after now be Miguel Aziz now, you don't know him. If I tell you be El Patino, you don't know. So now all those things, I want Moku break all those grounds, fill the gap in knowledge so that they talk about one player, go say, now that guy with the academy, okay, now that number 11 for female team, you know that kind of level. So now what I want to do now. Surprise! I say make I let you know say Ozil dey for Fenerbahce and the guys still know they play. The guys still suffer from lack of game time. Baba still dey for Benjamin. You know say why they talk to some say some people wey dey Arsenal that time we love Ozil. You know that they don't say don't kill Ozil career. Ozil is a great player. Say this that. When Fenerbahce come carry am, they praise Ozil and Fenerbahce presidents. They be 5 and 6. Wetin dey sup now? Baba dey for Benjamin. He dey cry. He dey regret why I go Fenerbahce. So that's so it just be. If you know good, you know good. If you don't shy, you don't shy. Know they judge people based on past glory. You know, see that time they blame Mateta. Why they put this guy for Benjamin? You know, Emery we first put up for Benjamin. You know, Emery be senior man, senior coach. You put up for Benjamin. At least they don't know what they do. Ateta come still play the guy, carry the guy throw for Benjamin. Before they complain, they castigate Ateta. Now they never vindicate him. But I don't go for Fenerbahce now. Benjamin continues from there now. Before you know, now you go to find new club or make Kuku retire because football is not for you. You are a 70 years old man. Meanwhile, all the old 20 clubs for EPL they don't come outside to oppose the proposition where Arsene Wenger they talk say make them they play World Cup every 2 years. You know, Arsene Wenger they work for FIFA now, so it don't help them implement one footballing rule. Say you go good mode they do biennial World Cup, make they play World Cup every 2 years. So even Henry sef don come outside early, come oppose this and say, oh, Baba, it no make sense. Forget say I get respect for you get. You be like my papa, so you no go make sense. All these footballers we see, they no be robots. Imagine playing the EPL finish, you're gonna play World Cup every 2 years plus all the qualifiers plus every other thing. It no go make sense. One won't get time to spend with our family. No. Make una know they use us as pawns for chess game. You get. We say we be human being, we got to rest. So everybody they oppose them now. So you never know whether Baba Wenger go throw away that deal for Gota Abi, go still restructure and come bring them back again. Well, more the waters go turn out. Surprise for those who don't know, Steven Gerrard don't be Aston Villa manager. They don't unveil him, so you don't leave Rangers. Can't join them here now. So is this a good move or is this a bad move? Say for John Goodyear, where you be lion or come for City, come become goats. We never really know how this one go be for him. My prayer be say make them no sack him early because the guy don't create history for that Rangers. And what I like this one, be say it no be like maybe Arteta now or Lampard. They say they don't really get massive experience for top flight football before they come hire them. For that Rangers, why they go Europa League, they play very well. He break the monopoly of Celtic for Scotland, as in he don't put a mark there, don't set a name for the history books of Scotland football, the history books of Rangers football. You know what make me like the guy. So I did very happy say he don't come for England. I know say in trajectory now, in plan now, after they finish all these things, gonna do well. One day maybe he will take over from your club. You get a Liverpool legend taking over Liverpool. You get now the same trajectory now where maybe Vieira won't follow now. Say if they do what they go. Say one day you can take over Arsenal. Come say an Arsenal legend is taking over. No those kind of love story now. How they get sweet ending. Well, we'll watch as everything will turn out. We still there at the monitor. My other guy don't delete in Twitter page and what this up is say this guy they complain of trolls, they complain of some kind unhealthy things really for that Twitter, like the thing they affect the mentality. They'll say every day we just come outside, you see some kind things, maybe person just come, they insult your papa, they insult your mama, maybe not lose game, or maybe they for Benjamin, they say look at this what they got, they buy. Papa know they play anything again, on for Benjamin, they play nonsense. No, all those kind of things they affect them. So you just say, okay, you know what, might not delete this thing now, make I get peace of mind. You get that's why I can't delete them. So now all the guy know the Twitter again. So now so you just view. So even Baba Wenger said don't come and say they talk about Champions League and EPL. So Baba when they talk say, I'm making no lie, say it dey very, very hard to win EPL than it is to win Champions League, because for EPL competition mad. See Champions League it looks okay maybe not because na champions of different areas, so it go hard. Now lie you say this EPL die. I know it's not hard. Say now since when you don't hard, and every day they get more harder. You get every year. No two seasons are equal. You know, so you just view in case you don't know. At the same time, Wenger won't bust our brain because Baba when they talk say for 2014 get the opportunity to sign Cristiano Ronaldo and he turn off that opportunity. I know say that time Arsenal the hot, so anybody who Arsenal say hey come here we need you, the person go jack come. You know go come. So but you can see the guy for Man U that time was a nobody now. Who know at that time? The Arsenal the reign now. If you come Arsenal go knock you blank like go collect. So but you know can't really if you tell what will happen for future now. If you say say the guy go turn out to become world best, get win world best how many times say for not sign him now. But see now one of the regrets for transfers where he make come on say you pay now gone. I said make I ask you now if though later today now if you come live come still talk about this issue with the way Vlahovic issue they go now. You get there's possibility say we fit sign the guy, there's possibility say we fit no sign am. So as it be now, which other alternative striker if you talk say make we sign? Because for me now I dey reason that kind Dominic Calvert-Lewin or Isaac of Real Sociedad before you can talk about maybe Oli Watkins. You get so who na go feel things say make sense? Maybe striker wey me I never even know. I don't know saying the ball for when they wey go make sense say we fit reason the matter, because this Vlahovic almost some kind of heavyweight not involved now, and the pass also no lie that kind of Real Madrid there, that kind of Bayern, they get more proposition, they get more attractive portfolio where player go scam come go join them. You get so we just the reason from now say okay if this guy deal no materialize who go fit go for. So now what I say make I ask you. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.